The UNI-T Thermal Imager for phone, specifically the UTi120MS model, is a cutting-edge thermal imaging camera designed to integrate seamlessly with smartphones, particularly iOS devices. This compact and portable device offers a professional-grade thermal imaging solution, making it an invaluable tool for a wide range of applications, from HVAC troubleshooting to home inspections and heat source detection. With its ability to detect temperatures ranging from -20 degrees centigrade to 400 degrees centigrade, 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, the UTi120MS provides users with precise and reliable thermal data, enabling them to identify and address issues with greater efficiency. One of the standout features of the UTi120MS is its high-resolution thermal imaging capability, boasting an IR resolution of 120/90. This ensures that users receive clear and detailed thermal images, allowing for accurate analysis and decision-making. The device also includes advanced functionalities such as auto alarm for high and low temperatures, as well as auto tracking for hot and cold spots. These features make it easier for users to pinpoint critical temperature variations, whether they are inspecting electrical systems, checking for insulation gaps, or monitoring industrial equipment. The UTi120MS is equipped with a variety of tools to enhance its usability, including an on-display screen analyzer that supports 6 points, 6 lines, 6 rectangles, and 6 circles.